Alright, so the first thing to do to check out our project from Subversion is to browse to the proper URL. So in your browser type in skip.atrc.utoronto.ca. Once that page loads, you want to head over to the Development tab on the top right, and that'll take you to the Subversion repository link. And you can actually see through track that this tab, Browse the Subversion repository, you can open this up in a new tab and you can browse the repository through track. And so it's a good idea to just check that to make sure you're in the right spot. So go into the trunk directory, and you can see all the various SCYP projects. The one we're interested in is the Wi-Fi positioning tool. So once you're in there, you can see all the files. Yep, that's definitely the one that we want. So just remember this trunk Wi-Fi positioning part. We'll get back to that. Next, just open up Subversion itself, if you want, in your browser, so you can browse and make sure you're looking at the same repository that we're seeing in track. And copy and paste this trunk Wi-Fi positioning part. That'll take you right to where you want to be in the Subversion mirror. Copy and paste that into your browser, and there you can see the same files. Just verify a file, compare the two between track and Subversion, make sure they're the same one. In this case, run.py, yeah, that's the same file, so we're definitely looking in the right spot. So the next thing to do is copy the whole Subversion URL with the trunk Wi-Fi positioning part. Go over to your terminal and make a directory. This is where you're going to check out the Subversion repository into. I called mine SCYP Wifi. Then SVN CO is short for checkout. Paste the URL and then type the directory where you want to check out to. In this case, the directory we just created, SCYP Wifi. This, of course, assumes that you've got Subversion installed. If you don't, open up your distribution's package manager. In this case, probably for Ubuntu, you want to use Synaptic or Aptitude, and just install Subversion. Finally, once the checkout's done, cd into your SCYP Wi-Fi directory, take a look at the files, make sure they're all there, they should be, and then take a look, you can see run.py. So run that file, and you can see that it throws an error. It needs to be running as root to get full access to your Wi-Fi hardware. So copy and paste this sudo./run.py, paste that, and just run the program, make sure it's all working. As long as you get some kind of message popping up, then you know that you've done a proper checkout.